Hey everyone. The other day when I was bridge hunting, I locked into four-wheel drive and discovered I had bad U-joint in the front drive shaft. I have the new drive shaft and I've done a little bit of pre-work here. I dropped the skid pan and I got the transmission resting on a jack stand. I'll try to find a place to put you so you can watch. All right, so here's what it shouldn't do. I don't know, the back of my head is so exciting, isn't it? Come on. All right, so in the process of undoing the first U-joint strap, I got a boo-boo. So I had to go put a band-aid on that. But I got the top U-joint strap off. I'm gonna do the bottom. Alright, so that's the second U-joint strap. Let's see bolt sizes. Those four bolt sizes for the U-joint straps are 8mm. As well as these up here for the CV joint are 8mm. The 6 bolts that hold the skid pan up are 18mm, and the 4 bolts for the transmission cross member mount are 13mm. All right. Well, that's good news. I was wondering about that. I don't have the transfer case in neutral or anything. I didn't think about putting the transfer case in neutral until after I had the skid pan unbolted. I put the linkage in a bind. Oh well. They'll get it. Last bolt. Come on, there we go. Come on. All right, so look at these. Those needle bearings look, well, they look okay. Ooh, it's those. Woo, look at that. That is a dry U-joint. Alrighty. Okay, so this ain't going too bad. I've got the new shaft fit up here. I'm going to use thread locker on bolts. I'll get this installed and then we'll put the front part on. All right, so this is the 4th of 4. Ow. Pinch my finger again. Different finger though this time. Spread the love. All right. Well, after much cursing, because I dropped a needle bearing that will never be found, it's in. I used an old needle bearing from the good side of the drive shaft U-joint from the old one. Anyway, time to put the skid pan cross member back in and clean up. Alright, well that's going to do it. All that's left now is to clean up tools, get the Jeep off the ramps, and go from there. Anyway, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. I appreciate it very much. I will see you later.